I am in the middle of doing my hair. I really did not want to do my hair on camera, but what I did was I washed my hair, and I'll show you what I washed it with, because again, this is an impromptu video. You see me, I just got out the shower from washing my hair, and I'm actually blow drying my hair. Show you my blow dryer. I'm not gonna do it on camera because doing all that stuff on camera is so much, guys. I'm doing Vlogmas, I'm doing DIYs, I'm doing lip gloss videos, like it's a lot. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. I missed Vlogmas yesterday, but I just want to show you part of my hair, and I've been telling you guys about hair's porosity. So what I did was I did spray it with the Affinity keratin thing that I'm always showing you guys. Look at my old videos. For those of you who don't know my wash day routine, it will be in there. I promise you, this video is just a quick impromptu video just to show you what I'm in the process of doing. So this section was already blow dried, and I put the Jamaican black castor oil pure butter. I have highly porous hair, so again, I like, and my hair likes, things that coat the hair strand. So you see, I coat all of the hair like with the butter from the roots all the way to, and I pay special close attention to the ends and like that. And it's so funny because I was just literally on YouTube, and I got a comment on one of my old link check videos, and it was so funny. And I'm open to comments, guys, so long as you guys are respectful. And the lady, she was respectful because she said a couple of times, no offense, no offense, no offense. I'll do a separate video on that, or whatever. And if you're watching, I take no offense. It's okay. But she, she pointed out certain things. She said that I wasn't doing a proper length check, and that's okay because I know my length checks are not perfect. Like length checks, if any of you guys have ever done them, they are not the easiest thing to do. It's hard to take the tape measure and do all of that and then get it on camera. Make sure you have the right angle so that people can see, because sometimes what you're seeing and what, if someone sees me in real life, they'll be like, my hair looks longer in person than it does on camera. I don't know why. And I try to capture it, I don't know, but I do the best that I can, and I do the videos to help people and also to serve as like a video diary, so that I could go back and look through the years. Okay, this is where I started on YouTube, this is how my hair looked in this year, let's see the progress. So you guys who have been watching me know that I have been on a protective style challenge for the past year. So yeah, long story short, she pointed out a whole bunch of things in her comment, and that's cool. Everyone is entitled to her opinion, and she wasn't offensive at all. But the only thing that I'm trying to say is, guys, when you know your hair, you know your hair. Like, it might appear to be something to someone else, and they may try to come and tell you, trying to give you advice from their experience and from what they can see on camera. But those people are not there with you 24/7. If they haven't been watching your videos and listening to what you've been saying, they don't really know. They're just, so don't take any of that personal. But yeah, I just wanted to get that story out there. I'm gonna do a separate video on it, so you guys can know exactly what happened. So I responded to the comment and telling her that I appreciate her for commenting, and I haven't taken any offense. And I went on to explain things about my hair if she didn't know or whatever like that. But then I thought about something. I was like, okay, I wanted to come back and get more information from her, because I was like thinking, well, if she knows a better way for me to do my length checks, I want to know. Like, if you know, let me know. And there's no shade, honestly and truly, because that's what we're here for. This is a community where we come together and we share natural hair. I've been in the natural hair YouTube community since 2009. So it's all about sharing what you know, learning from another person, teaching other people. We all share. That's how it originally was here. It is what it is. But guys, don't get offended by what people say or what people think. Like, I know my hair is doing very well, and even though my length checks might not be the best, I can look at my videos and see the progress that I made. So after I'm doing each section, I'm just twisting it. As you can see, I did that here, and that's it. I'm not gonna do everything on camera, but let me do back. I have my crown. I'm gonna do this side, my crown, and then come back to the front. So give me a sec. Okay, so I just had to come back real quick to show you my crown area, because you guys know I have a series on crown hair breakage and crown hair repair. So here's my crown area, guys. This is what it's looking like. This is how it's doing. Again, I had no intention of coming on this evening, but I said, you know what? After answering this viewer's, it's grown pretty well, huh? See, I'm getting it on camera. I already just finished putting this on it. I'm looking at my, see? You guys can see it, and you guys gotta understand, those of you who wanna comment on people's videos, what you're seeing on the camera is your perspective in the video. And again, I'm twisting it toward the front just because it's easier. Because when you notice your hair starts growing, guys, this whole process becomes a lot more challenging. So you want to do things to make your hair life easy. So I was twisting it toward the front. And I'm gonna go back in again with my shea butter and take care of my ends. See that? And I'm just gonna add it here. It's gonna look weird because I twisted it going upwards when I should have did it the other way. But yeah. So I'm gonna blow out these two sections and come back and show you them. So you kind of get a look at my progress. I will do a separate length check video. I'm gonna still do my length check the same way that I've been doing it, although the viewer who wrote in said that I didn't do it correctly. But I'm still gonna do it, and that may very well be true. Again, I'm not saying that I didn't do it the right way. I don't think there is a right way to do a length check. But what I figured is that if I do my length checks the same way that I've been doing them, even though it's incorrect, you can still have a visual of how I did it before, because I still do my length checks in the same areas. Right side front, left side front, crown, right side back, left side back. So that's what I do. And so I do it the same way each time. And also, my hair is not the same length in all the areas. So she did mention something about that too. And I'm sorry if it might seem like I'm ranting. It's just that it's fresh on my mind and I just read the comment. So I have lots of thoughts going on in my head, and I know I need to make a separate video addressing the email or the message. But it's just, I'm just being honest with you guys in the moment, because I am doing Vlogmas. So I might put a bit of this in my Vlogmas. Then this is gonna be a separate video. And then I'll do a separate video addressing the comment. I'm just trying to give people a sense of it's not always the way that it looks. So just, take that in mind when you're making a comment on someone's video. Also, if you can show people what it is that, can help them. And it also helps if you have a picture up and videos too, so that we can all be in the community. But it's okay. Let me go do these other two and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm done blow drying everything, and I left these two pieces 1 and 2 here. I didn't put any product in it. So I'm gonna show you how I'm putting the castor butter. So I'm basically taking it from the root, and I'll separate it some here so you can see from the root, and then putting it down the whole hair shaft. Making sure I cover my ends, because again, my hair is extremely porous. I have high porosity, so my hair and me like to put things on it to coat it, because that helps to protect it from breakage. Here are my ends. Now she made a comment about me having see-through ends. It's hard to see because honestly, like with hair that is natural, like your hair tends to always bunch up. So when you see someone doing a length check and like it looks like the ends, like they're grabbing onto strings, it's only because the rest of the hair is bunching up and you're stretching the strands. Like that's why I wanted to see if she had a picture up so I could see, like maybe it's something that I'm not seeing that she sees, and that, you know, there's techniques or stuff that she does with her hair so I can see, because I'm here to learn, you know. But it's okay. It is what it is. So see, these are my ends and I'm putting it on. Now, in the video, I didn't go back to look at that length check, but it was the 2019 length check video that she was referring to. Now, in that video, see this part of my hair, this is like the side, the temple area. Now, these parts of my hair tend to be a little thinner because this is like my edges. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. And guys, my hair is not perfect. I don't think anyone has the perfect head of hair. And even the people that you think do, they know their hair's imperfections, you know? So yeah, I forgot what I was trying to say, but yeah, she was referring to the 2019 length check video, and said that my ends were see-through. I mean, it might be in certain parts. I'm trying to see. But you always, like in a way, you kind of can't tell. I think you have to have it all. Well, it is straight right now, as straight as it can be without having a flat iron to it. So, you know, and I know that I'm due for a trim because it's been a year since I trimmed. But guys, I don't trim my hair every year. I'm not sure what I said in the video, but she said that I said that. But it's okay. I trimmed last year, and because I'm on a protective style challenge, I used to trim my hair more often, but I realized I was trimming too much. But definitely if I see like ends that look like they're really like the crypt keeper, I'm definitely gonna trim my hair. But I don't remember like if she's a long-time viewer or anything like that. And guys, I'm just talking about it because I literally just read it before. I think I read it after I got out of the shower. Like I checked my phone and then I saw it after I got out of the shower. So this is the right side. And you see I'm putting it on the ends and I'm doing my roots too. And then my edges, see the right side of my edges have been doing better. Guys, I don't know, for some of you who watch me, you know about, because I have so many different types of viewers. I have viewers who watch me for my hair videos, viewers who watch me for performance videos, viewers who watch me for my sewing, DIY, fashion, and stuff like that. And now I've been doing cosmetics. I came out with lip gloss. And my new website has my hair growth oil. It's specifically designed for your crown area, and I have been using it for a long time. I just didn't make it available. I had wanted to make it available for so long, and it's now on my website. I'm going to show it to you in a minute because that's what I'm going to go around my whole head and put my oil on. So this is what I do, and this is like I didn't evenly part my hair or anything like that. Like some sections are skinny, like honestly, I really did not feel like doing my hair, but I had to wash it. So now I'm gonna take these clips out. And I see my camera time running out because I've been taping so much with my lip gloss and everything else, doing Vlogmas, that my things are full. My camera's full. So then I just go through it again, like, and again I'm using Sunny Owl's Jamaican Black Castor. I love it. So let me show you my hair growth oil. look at it and all the ingredients are there. Don't mind the sticker. I put it on the wrong way, like it's not even, but this is just a sample. So what I do is, and I can tell you the ingredients, definitely Jamaican black castor oil, because that has helped my crown and my edges tremendously. Avocado oil, sweet almond oil, rosemary oil, tea tree, and peppermint oil. And so I just take some and rub it on like my edges, like that. My edges in the front, really both, just the sides and here too, and massage it in. And it smells like peppermint. It smells like peppermint. You can smell the tea tree in there. I put it on my edges in the back as well. Just a little bit. You really don't need a lot, because what it's doing is just stimulating hair growth. It's nutritious oils, and I put it on my crown area as well. Like, you can put it on your fingertips and just rub it in, or like massage, do that head. Oh my gosh, feels so good. I did one in the shower today. It feels so good. My hair feels so soft. Look at this one looking all lopsided because I just did to the front. All right. So yes, my hair growth oil is now available on my site, and it's the Edge and Crown Oil, Kharyzmaforyou.com. So let me show you my hair out now. I'll just take it out. And one girl, Imani, you know who you are. You wanted me to do the Bantu Knot Out video. I got you, girl. Now that my hair is blown out, I will do that. I'll see if I can do it between tomorrow and Friday. So it'll give me content for my Vlogmas, and as well as my regular hair videos. I'm trying to get everything out for everyone. Yeah. So you get the gist of my hair, guys. You see it? Like, I just wanted to show you, and I just want to show you, you know, that things are not as what they seem sometimes. So before you come to conclusions, you know, have a conversation with the person or whatever. I'm not offended. It's just on my mind right now, and I'm like doing my hair as we speak about it. So yeah, I can do my official length check later, but look, that's what it's looking like. I'll do my official length check later. Let me wrap this up, guys.